Hello, this is Julianne Starr, and this is my channel, Gems and Jules. And I am just planning on dropping some gems uh, when things come to me. And really, what I want to talk about is getting back closer to nature. It's a must for your survival. Everything else, they're telling you to put digits in an account, but in reality, you need to be putting your feet into the ground, touching the ground, touching the earth. We have to realize that we need to be able to handle the sun. And if it gets hotter, we have to be able to deal with it. And it should be okay. Get closer to the sun. Build a relationship with the sun. I made a song called Dancing in the Sun. And it's because the demons can't get you when you out there dancing in the sun. They they can't touch you when you out dancing in the sun. And if you don't believe me, the next time you're going through anything, if it's a sun to go out and dance, then go do it. I bet you that demon can't follow you. Understanding that